Should you sell your home as is or do repairs? Believe it or not, I get this question a lot from my sellers. Let's just look at it this way. Time is money, right? If you're in the selling season and you're wasting time trying to do repairs or guess what you think the next buyer will like, it's probably not going to work out for you. That time and energy is better spent marketing the home. Now, there are always exceptions to every rule. For example, if you have minor repairs, paint touch up, some caulking, some tightening up, some restaging, yeah, we're probably going to tell you to do those things. But for you to try to guess what the next buyer is going to want, it's just a waste of time and resources. That's why when we come in, we assess your situation and we tell you this is what we think is best. Trying to guess what the next buyer is going to like and then trying to implement those things only for that buyer to come in and change everything, now you can understand why it doesn't make sense. Follow us on social media and YouTube for more information from future episodes to come.